In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink tank of your Epson EcoTank printer. This is ET3830 and you can follow it for other ink tank printers as well. To start with the replacement of the ink tank, first step is to unlock the print head so that we can move printer freely. Go for the copy and just do one copy. As long as it goes for the copy, just unplug it. You can do this if your ink tank is leaking. Also, if you have put the wrong ink, then you can just take the old ink out and wash the ink tank and then place it back. So now open it. So lift this section. Let's open the screws. So screw which are just in the front, we have to take it off so that we can make sure that this section comes off. So first we will remove the top plate. I'm just going to remove this one. So total 4 now. And that's our 5th one. So take it on the side. So we can just move the print head to the side. So then this is our ink tank. You will see there are some more screw here. So we have to open these. So once we remove all the screws, it's really easy to work on this printer. Also in the front we have a couple of screws. Now the good thing is all the screws are of same size, so we don't have to worry if we put anything wrong, because they are of same size, they will work same. Now on this side, on the left hand side, there is a screw at the bottom, so we have to unscrew that. Now this system is about to come off, so make sure there is a red and black wire, you hold it properly. Just remove it carefully. Now leave this section like this, and there is a wire here, you can unplug it. There's a small lock. Now you can just move it on the side, but don't break it. Open the screw from here, both of these. Open both of these. So these are different screws, so you can keep them separate. So you can take this unit out. So it's very easy to take this one. You can unplug from here. Now if you can move it on the side, and then this plate will move little bit on the side, and these are our ink tanks. Now you can remove this color paper, push this section on the one side, and you will see your ink tanks are here and they are just placed here. Now you can remove these pipes from here, so it makes it easy. And the ink tanks are here. You just have to push it back and slide it out. You will see your ink tank comes off. That's how it looks like. So let's move it back, take it out, move it back, take it out, push it back, move it to the side and take it, push it back, move it to the side and take it. Now we can take this entire area out of this section. So these are our ink tanks. Move it to the side one by one. Now select which ink tank is leaking. Just remove them from here. For example, if it's black, you can just remove it like this, so it goes off. The ink doesn't come out, or you can just leave it facing up, so ink won't come. Then our next one, that is blue. Leave it here. You can check which ink tank is not working properly and you can just replace it here. For example, I'm just going to put them back. Now go here. On this side you will see it. Place it back. And that's our black. Place it back. Now once you have done it, now we are going to assemble it again. So put it underneath, move these on the side. So let's start with the black. So that is here. Then comes our K-on. So we are just going to push it here. So place it nicely and slowly. And then place it like this. Our next one is here. Place it here. Adjust the ink pipe to the correct position. And that's our last one. Now we are going to place them back one by one. So adjust them first here. Let's start with the black. So place it here. Slide it. So press the back side down and then push it on one side. Same with the other. Once it goes in, you can just push it here. Push it forward, it will lock, it won't move. So that's important. So all 4 ink tanks are installed. If you go on the side, you have to make sure this clip is also locked. Place it on the right. So lock this plate. So there were 4 screws in the front for each ink tank. all four are locked. Make sure you just tighten them so they won't move. So there should be no movement in it. Now put it back, this plate. And slide it here and lock it. Going in. Another one goes here. That is our ink tank cap. So place it here and slide it in the lock, like this. Now move this plate that was in the front. Now join this end. Now place it here and let it go in this side. Now slowly move in to lock this. Place it down and adjust this here. Now close this section. So that was here. So let's place the screws here. That's one. That's the second. Check if it's closing. Yeah, it's working. So there was one screw underneath, so we are just going to place that. Place this sheet. Make sure you don't miss any screw, just place all of them back. So we have just replaced them. Next step is to fill the ink tanks. So best thing is to fill them and then do the power cleaning, so it will flush the fresh ink through the system and your printer will start working. Now we can just close all these sections. Now we can switch on the printer. So we are ready to use the printer. This way we can replace the ink tank of the printer. Thanks for watching.